Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mrs. Sobia Sohail is here, and today I will discuss about the topic of cylinder. Cylinder, its volume and surface area. About the volume, in my previous videos also, I told you about the shapes or about the objects which are called prism. Prism means any regular shape like this one taken to a height. Okay, all these shapes are called prism, and all the volume of the prism have only one specific formula, that is base area taken to the height. Now that base area can be a square, that base area can be rectangle, that base area can be a circle, base area can be a kite, or any regular shape, any regular shape in which you can find out the shape area of that shape. If that base area is taken to a height, so it will be called a prism, and the volume of that prism will be simple base area multiplied by height. Okay, so specifically we will discuss now that cylinder is also a prism, and its volume will be base area multiplied by the height it is being taken. Okay, multiply by the height will be its volume, like the volume of the cube and cuboid. Cube has base like a square, cuboid also have a base like a square or a rectangle, but the cylinder have a base of a circle. So its base area into a height. Now what is the base area of the circle? Base area of circle, as you know, it is pi r square if the radius of the base we are taking as small r. So pi r square into h, or pi r h, pi r square h will be its volume. What about the surface area? Surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of cylinder. Again, I will make a shape of a cylinder. I'm just making in a rough way. So this is the radius, this is the height. Okay, surface area will have this one circle, and this curved area. Okay, curved area like this one. Suppose if I'm making this paper into the form of the cylinder. Okay, so cylinder will make this circle area, this side circle area, and this, if I cut from here and open, it will be a rectangle. So what will be this length of the rectangle? This length of a rectangle will be the circumference of this circle form. Okay, means if I open this one area, it will form a rectangle, and rectangle have this side with the top circle and this side with the bottom circle. So its surface area is pi r square, its surface area also pi r square. This one will be according to the boundary of the circle. So the length will be equals to 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the circle. Width of this will be equals to the height of the cylinder. Okay, so hence we will find out surface area of cylinder as top circle plus bottom circle plus curved surface area, length into width. Length into width means length is 2 pi r and width is h, 2 pi r h. We can collect like 2 pi r square plus pi r h 2. So we can take 2 and pi common also, like as it is also we can put the values, and we can take 2 common, pi common, r square and r, we can take r common. So 2 pi r in this term, r left, in this term 2 pi r common, so h left. So you can use this formula or you can use this formula, both are easy to use. Okay, as you feel convenient. So you can use any one of the formula. So hence volume of the cylinder will be base area into height, base area pi r square into h. Surface area of the cylinder, top circle, bottom circle, pi r square, and curved area 2 pi r h. Now we will go to the few examples to apply these formulas. Okay, I have taken just for example from the exercise 18b, count down 7. Okay, very basic level to find out the volume and the surface area for the cylinder. They are asking find the volume. Okay, you write down volume and put a question mark. And then they are asking total surface area. Write down total surface area, put a question mark. Okay, first translate the data provided by the question. Now they are saying that if the radius and height are 7, radius and height are 7 and 30 centimeter respectively. So respectively we just write respectively. Radius is first, so 7, height is then discussed, so 30. Now they are asking find out the volume and surface area. So volume of cylinder, as we know, volume of cylinder, if you know the formula, you can write directly the formula, or if you forget about the formula, write down base area into height. Base area is circle, pi r square, height is h. Put the value of pi, it's up to you which value you want to put, okay? So you can put 22 by 7 also, 3.142 also, no problem. 7 square, height is 30. So you can calculate by the calculator also, and normal you can also do the calculation. If you're doing with the calculator, normally I suggest with the normal calculation mostly. So I mostly give the 7 square means 7 times 7, 30. 7 cancel with 7, 22 multiply by 30. And this 7 also. 7 also. So 22, 700, 7 3s are 21. And now multiply these two numbers. 0, 21 times 20, 22, 1 times 22, 2 times 44, plus 2, 46. So this one will be your answer, or directly if you want to use the calculator, no problem. You can put these values in the calculator and you can get the answer. Volume means unit square from here, unit here. So unit centimeter cube will be the unit of this one. This will be your working. You can write in the separate box. Okay, or you can solve this by the calculator also. I personally like this method of calculation. Now the surface area, okay. Total surface area is lower circle and upper circle, means 2 times pi r square plus 2 pi r h. 2 pi value anyone you can use. Now this time I am using this one value. R 7 square plus 2 pi 3.142 R 7 H 30. Calculate this value. Yeah, you must know how to use the calculator also with these exponential values. So I am writing 2 times 3.142 multiply 7. Square key is this one. Press the square key and then press the equal sign. You will get this answer. Round off this answer as 308 plus 2 times 3.142 multiply 7 multiply 30 equal this one. Press this key, it will change the fraction into the decimal number 1319.6. Add this number plus 308. Your answer is, again press this key, 1627.6. Unit square, unit was centimeter used here, so unit square centimeter square. This is the answer for this one. Again I am repeating, radius is 7, height is 30. Volume pi r square h, pi r square h. Put the values, calculate. Total surface area, top and lower circle 2 pi r square and curved area 2 pi r h. Put the values and calculate. You will get the final answer. The most important thing is this formula for the cylinder and this formula for the total surface area of the cylinder. Okay, be careful when you are substituting the values of radius and height in both the formulas, and don't forget to use the square sign. Okay, we will go to the next question now. In the statement of the question, they are saying find the volume of a right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder is called in which the circular base and this one exactly making the 90-degree. Okay, so this is the right circular cylinder. Volume you have to find out. Okay, and what is the data given? It's given as the circumference of this circumference of this base is given as 144 centimeter, and height is given as 10 centimeter. So from here you have to find out the radius first. Okay, if you will not find out the radius first, you cannot find out the volume. So circumference, you can write this circumference is given as 44, and you know what is the circumference formula? Circumference of this circle is equals to 2 pi r equal to 44. Put the values 2 pi, any value you can put, 3.142 or 22 by 7, it's up to you. Radius is 44 divided by 2 times 3.142. So its answer is 2 times 3.142. Its answer is 7. Now the radius is 7 and the height is 10. Now you can find out volume very easily with the same formula. What was that? Volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. Pi 3.142, r 7 square, h 10. So calculate 3.142 multiply 7 square multiply 10 equals 1539.5. You can write 1540. This could be the volume centimeter cube. This will be the final answer for this question for the volume of the given cylinder whose height is given as 10 centimeter and circumference of the base circle is given as 44. From the base circumference, first we have taken out the value of radius, then radius is here, height is here. So it's easy to find out the volume of the cylinder as pi r square h. Put the values, then find out the result. Okay. Now let's go to the next question. Now in the next question, they are saying the radius of a right circular cylinder is 1 by 7th of its height. Means this is the cylinder, okay? If this is the height, radius is equal to 1 by 7th of the height. Okay, using these two relations we have to go to the volume, but before finding out the volume they have given one more data, that curved surface area also they have given as 176 square meter. We will use this one relation. Write down this also, that let h be height and r be radius of given cylinder. Okay, of given cylinder. Then r is equal to 1 by 7th of h. From here we can find out h is equal to 7 times r. Okay. Now another information is that curved surface area is equals to 176. We know that curved surface area is 2 pi r h, that is 176. Here the value of r we don't know, and the value of h can be replaced by 7r. If we are replacing the value of h with 7r, hopefully we can find the value of r also. Okay, r and r square, 7 2s are 14 pi. Excuse me. R square is equal to 176 by 14 pi. You can calculate without calculator also by putting the value of pi as 22 by 7. So the answer of this one is, it's 4. Now R square is equal to 4. Okay. So in this question, we will keep in front of us. R square is equal to 4. We need to find out R. So take square root on both sides. It will change to R. It will change to 2. From the plus minus 2, we take only the positive values because we cannot take the negative value in the measurements. When we are measuring something, so we ignore the negative value. So we take only the positive value, and we will write the unit for this one also, because the curved surface area was in meter square. So its radius will be in meter, so it's equal to 2 meter. Now we can find out h is equals to 7r. So h is equal to 7 times 2 meter, 14 meter. Height is 14 meter. Radius is here, height is here. So it means we can find out the volume easily now. Volume is pi r square h. Pi 3.142, r 2 square h 14. Calculate this one. 3.142 multiply 2, put the square key, and then multiply by height, that is 14. So your answer is 175.9. You can write 176. This is the volume, so meter cube. Pi r square h, pi r square h. Unit cube you have to write with the volume formula. So unit was meter used in this one. So meter cube we will write over here. Until now, question number 5 is done. Last question of this exercise. 4 cylindrical pillars of a building are to be painted. Okay, we have to suppose 4 pillars. If the diameter of each pillar is given and height is given, find the cost of painting. They are asking 4 cylindrical pillars of a building. Building may be the building structure. If I'm just supposing that this is the building structure, the building structure will be using these pillars. So this will be the circle of that. This will be the circle of that pillar. Circle up to circle. So it's coming down. Suppose till this height. Okay, I'm just supposing this. These are the 4 pillars. When we are talking about the surface area of these pillars, it means that these pillars will be hidden for putting the building on it. These pillars bases will be gone inside the ground. So it means only the curved surface area will be left for painting. So total surface area we have to find out, that is the curved surface area of the 4 pillars. So total surface area will be equal to curved surface area 2 pi RH multiply by 4, because pillars are 4. 2 pi RH into 4. Now what is the radius? What is the height? Now we can go for the data. Diameter of each. Diameter was given as 1.4 meter, and radius, you know, that is half of diameter. Half of 1.4 is 0.7. Height of each pillar is given as 6 meter. Putting the values 2, 3.142, R that is 0.7, H that is 6, and multiply by 4 because the pillars are 4. So calculate in only one step. We can do the calculation also. 2 times 3.142 multiply 0.7 multiply 6 multiply 4. And we are getting 105.5. We can take approximation like 105.6. Okay, so this is the surface area, so area in unit square. Now cost of the painting. Cost of painting. Cost of paint for 1 meter square, that is rupees 10. So cost of paint for this one area 105.6 meter square will be rupees 10 multiply 105.6 meter square. Okay, when you multiply this one, it will become 1056 rupees per meter square. And all the exercise questions are done like this one. I will repeat this one again. There are four pillars of the building, and in the building pillar, when we are painting, we do not paint the upper circle and lower circle. Lower circle because it is grounded, upper circle because the building is covering that one area. Okay, so we are covering only the curved area around the cylinder. So in this way, we will take to only the curved area because the pillars are 4. That's why curved surface area I multiply by 4. Put the value, find out the result. Now cost every time. 1 meter square cost is given and the number of these meter square multiply by the cost for 1 meter square. You can find out your total cost. Thank you so much. Please like my video. If you have any still problem, you can tell me in the comments. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.